Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today we have one very interesting and challenging algebraic question. It is x plus 1 over x equal to 1. It is set to find this required expression. I will assume required sum is s. Let's say x plus 1 over x s1, x square plus 1 over x square s2, x power 40 plus 1 over x power 40 s40. So required sum S would be S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to S40. So this is S1 which is equal to 1. Now we will figure out S2 first. So S2 will become S1 square minus 2. X square plus 1 over x square is equal to x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. S1 is 1, 1 square minus 2. 1 square is 1. Minus 2 is minus 1. So we have S2 negative 1. We have S1 1. Now we will find S3. Using algebraic identity, we can write this one would be S1 cube minus 3 times S1. Now S1 is 1, so 1 cube is 1 minus 3 times 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. We have S3 negative 2. Now we will find S4. Using algebraic formula, I can write this would be equal to S2 square minus 2. Now S2 is minus 1, so minus 1 whole square minus 2, which will be equal to minus 1. S4 is minus 1. Now we will find S5. So I can write S5 would be S2 times S3 minus S1. Now S2 is negative 1, S3 is negative 2, S1 is 1. We will get 2 minus 1, so S5 will be equal to 1. Similarly, if we will calculate S6 using algebraic formula, I can write this would be equal to S3 square minus 2. Now S3 is known to us, it is minus 2. So minus 2 square minus 2 will be 4 minus 2, 2. Now we will find S7. We have to check the periodic nature in the reciprocal expressions. So we can write S7 equal to S3 times S4 minus S1. S3 is known, it is minus 2. S4 is known, it is minus 1. S1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So yes, this is equal to S1. S7 is equal to S1. Now we will check one more value, it is S8. Using formula, I can write S8 will be S4 square minus 2. S4 is minus 1, so we can write minus 1 square minus 2. Minus 1 square is 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And minus 1 is also equal to S2. So we can say we have periodicity here with period 6. I will write here all the values first. S1 equal to 1, S2 equal to negative 1, S3 equal to negative 2, S4 equal to negative 1, S5 equal to 1, S6 equal to 2. So we have 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2. If I will check S7, yes, it is again 1, which is same as S1, S8, S9, S10, S11, S12. In the same way, if I will keep writing over here, I can write S31 equal to S32, equal to S33 equal to S34 equal to S35 and S12 or S6 equal to S36. But in our required expression, we have S40. So we will keep writing S37. So we have to write over here S37. S38 would be S2. S39 would be S3. And S40 would be S4. Now we can find our sum. We have sum of 6 cycles starting from S1 to S36. If we will find sum in one cycle, then we have to add these 6 numbers. So we will add all those, we will get 0. So I can write here S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to S6. This is equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So we can find overall sum or required sum. It is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to S36. Then we have S37 which is equal to S1, S38 which is equal to S2, S39 which is equal to S3 and S40 which is equal to S4. Now we know that S1 plus S2, S1 plus S2 up to S6, this is equal to 0. So S1 up to S36 will be equal to 0. So we have to only sum S1, S2, S3, S4. So I will write S equal to 0 plus S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4, which will be equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4. Now we have all the 4 values. S1 is 1 plus S2 is negative 1, S3 is negative 2 and S4 is negative 1. So we can cancel plus 1 with minus 1. We will get minus 2 minus 1. So required sum S would be minus 3. So our sum, it is equal to negative 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.